Hey guys, this is Kevin160 here, and we have our 2000 Topps Platinum Football 2-box break number 1. As you can see, here's our 2 boxes. Here's a list of the winners for the divisional break. And as you guys can see, it is Friday, October 5th at 3:56 p.m. Good luck, everybody. We'll start with box 1. Hope you guys are happy with the way I do things. If there's anything specific you want broken, just send me a message and I'll get it posted and go from there. Alright, pack 1. A Luke Kuechly X-Fractor. You guys actually lucked out. I was in the middle of starting this, and I started with 1 box. And there's an extra card in here. Anyway, my camera took a dump. It was only about 5 packs through, and we'd already had a hit. It was a piece of crap though, so I decided to get a new box for you guys. Tommy Streeter, rookie. Melvin Ingram, rookie. First hit for the Dolphins, Michael Agnew auto. Lamar Miller X-Fractor. Andrew Luck, rookie. Space. Nick Foles X-Fractor. Michael Floyd.
There really was never an opportunity like this for us to do something together till now. I think it's something that Johnny said, it's definitely a dream come true for me, and I think Johnny feels that way. And the best part is it's not
Dwayne Allen.
A new partnership; it's a friendship, it's a developmental partnership. It's something that takes so many persons.
What do you want, Hunter? Cherry's right. Don't touch anything. No, you can't open it. No.
Why?
Because people already paid for it.
They're gonna come in here and pay for them?
No, I gotta ship it to them.
What does that
Ryan Broyles.
What does that mean?
I gotta send it in the mail.
Like put it in the mail?
Yeah. Oh, looks like we got our second hit here. It's a green refractor. Jersey patch number 70/99. Russel Wilson. That's a good one. And a Ryan Lindley rookie. I just saw this Russell Wilson is 2-color. Michael Agnew X-Fractor. And our third hit is a Mac Khalil auto. Bernard Pierce.
Welcome to NFL Live, presented by Radio Shack.
Stephen Hill. Oh, these all have extra cards in them. Okay. David Wilson. And we got a die cut rookie of Michael Floyd. Go Irish. I don't know what's going on here, but some of these packs have extra cards in them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 base cards. That's crazy. 7 base cards in that pack. And a Ryan Tannehill. Where's the 7 autos? And this one's got 4. 4 base cards and a Ronnie Hillman X-Fractor. And the last pack is a black refractor, Tommy Streeter.